Dang, I love that intro song. How you guys doing? Shit gets me hyped. Welcome to the channel and the best ride that I've ever been on. This is the White Rim Trail out in Moab, Utah. Big old bucket list ride right here. Got my buddy Sawyer to go out there with me. We rode it on adventure bikes. It was awesome. You can definitely do it on adventure bikes. Wasn't even that hard, I don't think. And I'm not like an amazing rider, so everybody can probably do it with a little practice. Pay attention to these dirt bike guys. You'll see them again. We leapfrog them back and forth a few times throughout the day. But yeah, anyways, White Rim, amazing views. Just a general amazing experience overall. As you can see, the weather when we went was just perfect. We're from Michigan, so it's all dirt and woods and not huge elevation like this. I mean, we have like steep hill climbs, short ones and stuff, but we don't have anything like this. The rocks are totally crazy. The traffic was cool. Always try to say thank you. And if people let us by while we're cruising along at our pace and they let us continue our pace, that's great. Super courteous. Thanks to that lady. That was really nice.
I can't even ride, dude. I can't stop looking.
Anyways, back to the views. I'm going to give like 5 real quick tips, or rather like pieces of information people should know before they ride this. I was going to do like a whole 5 tips for ADV bikes on White Rim. But let's be honest, it's just a big-ass dual sport. It's not much difference, really. So here's the data. 1, you got to stop at the Island in the Sky Visitor Center, get a day pass to ride it, or you're going to need a permit to camp out there. There are camp spots.
Like
we didn't know that. We like moto camping. Maybe next time. 2, if you leave from the Chevron on 191 north of Moab, you ride to the Visitor Center, then you ride the loop to BLM 129 or Mineral Canyon Road, and then 313 back to the Chevron. It's 135 miles. I think that is sort of the general route if you're planning on riding to the rim, riding it, and riding back to the nearest gas station.
One of those big dips, like so hard.
So you're gonna want to have enough gas. I think we carried a pretty quick pace. It took us about 4.5 hours. I think that's a little quicker than normal. I'd plan for 6 to 8. Just because that's what I read everywhere else, and that's what people that live there told us. Take lots of water and some food, just like every other video says. You should probably carry an extra tube and tools, know how to use that, or don't. It's not really my issue. First aid too, but again, kind of the same there. Anyway, take whatever bike you want is my 4th piece of information. Granted, we got decent tires, and you're a decent rider. The trail is pretty easy. It can be dangerous because there's drop-offs, and there are some big descents and climbs, but mostly it's in your head. I would imagine people with a fear of heights probably don't do well here, so you want to consider that if that's you. And that's pretty much it for all the information I'm going to give you guys. The rest you can figure out on your own, what clothes to wear and all that jazz. Couple more things we'll cover here real quick.
I didn't get the climb. No.
Both disappointed I missed the big climb. It's because of these damn GoPros. I got a GoPro conspiracy going right now. They overheat too easy. It's only like 80 degrees out there. I had to take the windsock off. It kept overheating and shutting off. That's why I missed that big climb. So I'm done bitching about these GoPros, but I'm sick of it. If you guys got any alternatives, action cameras, I kind of think I'm going to get that DJI. But if you guys got other suggestions, drop them in the comments. And I'm getting back to the riding. So I don't know if this is like a normal experience for a lot of people, but this was an amazing change of pace from Michigan. We'll definitely be coming back to ride more Moab. We loved every minute of every ride that we did there. Even the road stuff was awesome. Castle Valley. We rode around the LaSalle Mountains, got lost out there. GPS will take you on some wild-ass routes, so, you know, beware if you're following GPS prompts. And that's it. I'm going to let the rest of this video play out so you guys can see what the ride's all about. Listen to that 990 music. Sorry about the wind noise. I had to take the windsock off, you know, GoPro again. But thanks for watching. Go like and subscribe already, or don't, I guess, and enjoy the rest of this video. Listen to this sweet intro music I'm going to play real soft in the background for you guys. I think it helps with the wind noise. So thanks. See you guys next time. Have a great night.
Yes, dude.
Dude.
Get up on the pegs, get up on the, there you go. Nice, nice. Yep. Yep, yep, get after it. Boom!
Bro.
Oh no.
I saw that. I come around this corner and I see you struggling right here, and I see the rear wheel of that thing on the side, and I'm like, what am I getting into?
Hey, what's your bike?
KTM 990?
990. How old is that?
Huh?
How old is it?
It's an 09.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I didn't think they made a 990 for a while, but
No, it's a 999cc.
sounds good.
Got a bunch of stuff done to it. We rode white rim today.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
How
So
long did it take you?
4.5 hours.
Oh damn, you guys are flying.
About 4.5 hours.
We did it in March on 690s, and we did it in like 7 hours. So
Yeah.
we're going out tomorrow morning. We're camping for 2 days on it. So
Nice.
it's a cool trail.
Yeah.
Real cool. We love it.
When we rode it in March, we got about a 1/4 of an inch rain the day before. There was no dust. It was freaking awesome. It was probably the best day of riding I've ever had.
That's what we've said. Yeah, we were like, that's the best ride we've ever done, you know?